Hello, and welcome to another episode of English for Beginners. I'm Mark, and today we are going to learn subject pronouns. Subject pronouns tell us who is doing the action. The 7 subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Let's learn them together. I means me. You use I when you want to talk about yourself. Listen and repeat. I am Mark. I like coffee. I live in Japan. You. You means the person you are talking to. Listen and repeat. You are my friend. You speak English. You have a dog. He. He is one man or one boy. Listen and repeat. He is my teacher. He likes soccer. He has a bicycle. She. She is one woman or one girl. Listen and repeat. She is my sister. She likes music. She has a cat. It. It is for things, animals, or ideas. Listen and repeat. It is a book. It is raining. It is my phone. We. We means you and other people together. Listen and repeat. We are classmates. We like pizza. We study every day. They. They means two or more people, animals, or things. Listen and repeat. They are students. They live in Tokyo. They like movies. Let's practice. Listen and answer. I will say a sentence. You say pronouns. Mark and Anna are friends. What pronoun can we use? Right. They. They are friends. Good job. Next. Tom is a doctor. What pronoun? Right. He. He is a doctor. My cat is sleeping. What pronoun? Right. It. It is sleeping. My mother is cooking. What pronoun? That's right, very good. She. She is cooking. You and I are learning English. What pronoun? Yes, we. We are learning English. So, one more time, let's listen and repeat the pronouns. Ready? I, I, you, you, he, she, she, it, we, they, they. Good job. Excellent work today. Now you know the 7 English subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Practice using them every day, and soon you will become natural. Thank you for listening to another episode from mksenglish.com. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe for more English lessons. You can also visit mksenglish.com for online lessons with me. See you next time, and keep learning English every day.